This way. A little bit easier, I think. Oh, there's a little more water here. This would definitely be a place for gators to hang out if there was more water. Wow, this is kind of sad, honestly. What? Yeah, how dry it is. I mean, it hasn't been raining much lately. It's wintertime, so I'm not surprised, but like, you could just legit walk through this. I wouldn't want to, but. Anyway, this is the land bridge I was mentioning. It's kind of a cool little strip of dirt betwixt two ponds. This one's got quite a bit of water. There is some, yeah. I guess the land nearest this land bridge is lower.
Yeah, probably.
Lower elevation. Alright, let's get a move on. I move fast to get to that hill. Does someone live there?
I guess.
That'd be dope to live over there.
Oh, yeah,
What do you mean the other side?
the house is the other side of the...
This is not the other side, my friend. We're like halfway through. No, this is how me and RJ found our way back.
Then where is that house? Like, how do you get to that house? Like 5 minutes?
I don't know. I don't live there. So if you... What?
You should.
I should. I know. See, like, if you go down that way, you'll eventually end up where the power lines are that I showed toward the beginning of the video. But we're going deeper. Okay, that's fine. I'll take that.
Because you don't know how to get there.
You just gotta hike a mile in every time you want to come home or leave.
Yes.
I'll take it. More sand. Where are you going? Well, you are mistaken. Alright, around here is where that building is. Man, screw this sand, dude.
Yeah,
Aha! Yeah, right here. Here it is. The ruins, as I call it. Check this out. I don't know what this building used to be, but it's pretty cool.
I don't know how stuff like that ends up in like nature preserves sometimes. Like,
I don't know.
I guess it wasn't always nature preserve.
No.
No.
No,
What?
no, it wasn't. It was something else. It was just nature that someone put something in, and then they decided, hey, we need to stop putting things in nature.
We
need to
just be nature.
We need to preserve it. So they made it a nature preserve.
And why didn't they take out this stuff?
Are you gonna volunteer to take this stuff out, Kirsten?
No, because I don't work here.
Well, maybe you should.
No, I have other work.
Yeah, I have a job. I'm an adult.
I have a real job.
Oh, okay. So taking this stuff out of the forest is not a real job.
No, I'm saying-
I'll let all the nature preserve workers know that they don't have real
That's
jobs.
not what I was saying.
Okay.
I'm saying I have a job that isn't fake, so I don't need this other real job.
Uh-huh.
This is too sandy.
You're too sandy.
I actually have no sand in me.
Not yet.
I won't have
Just
sand.
give it a few minutes. I'm sure this sand will find a way to penetrate into your shoes and clothes and mouth.
My shoes can block out sand.
All right.
They will protect me. They are powerful. Powerful sand-resistant shoes.
Was that on the box when you bought them?
I put it on the box.
You put it on. You wrote it.
And then it became true.
Okay.
It will keep me safe.
You're being foolish.
I am no fool. You're a fool.
We're getting pretty close to the hill now. This part of the trail is just gravel and shells. Bird.
Tweet, 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 tweet.
Pretty soon here we will see the gate. I have names for everything in this hike. There's the Sanctum, the bridge, the ruins, the gate, the hill.
There's another GPS thing.
Yep. Orienteering GPS 0.4. It's just for like Boy Scout GPS class orienteering type of stuff.
You should when you edit the video, you should make something to be like the Sanctum.
Point out and put some Zelda like dungeon music.
Yeah.
Like dun, 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 dun.
And if there was anything where like we figured out something, then yeah.
Yeah. That's interesting. Secret passage. Or get like the Skyrim font and just have it like fade on the bottom of the screen like in Skyrim when you find a new area.
Yeah, and it has a sound, right?
When you discover ruins, yeah, it has like a sound.
Mm-hmm.
We can do that.
So at least do that for when we found the stuff.
The concrete, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe I'll do that. And after much longer on this gravel road than I had anticipated, we finally have reached the gate right up here. This is a nice little spot too, though, honestly.
Mm-hmm. Wait, what's the gate?
That's the gate. Right over here. Na 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 na. See it? Way there it is.
Oh, the tree.
No, you fool.
Oh, I see it. Oh, okay.
Like a literal, actual, like, arch
Yeah.
thing. I wonder if this is like the camping ground, because this is awesome. I'd camp here.
Yeah.
It's worth noting that Kirsten and I have not been, well, you have been, but you hated it because you didn't have the right stuff.
Mm-hmm.
But we haven't been camping yet in like a tent. But yeah, oh, look, people are here. Oh boy. I stopped recording out of respect for those people who are running. They had a shirt on that said Los Malditos Fearless. I don't know what that means. I think that's what it said. But anyway, here's the gate. And just past the gate is the hill. Check this out. This is the highlight of the trip right here. The grand climax.
Oh yeah. So do you think that this is the camping area over here?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, because there's picnic.
Yeah, I told you, there's like picnic pavilions and there's grills and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So it might be this little grassy area here, or it's off that way somewhere.
Yeah. There's grills over there?
I think so. Maybe not over here specifically, but somewhere. Yeah. This is a neat little hilly enclosure thing they've got for you here. But yeah, I'm thinking that these fences and these gates might lead you to like the camping area or something. I don't know. We need to call them and ask them or something.
Yeah.
Figure out what's good.
Yeah, because it's the camping area isn't on the map, the trail map or whatever.
No, it isn't. Yeah, or I don't know, maybe we missed it. I didn't see it though.
Guys,
But anyway, let's climb this hill. You all right?
no.
And here we are. And that's how you get down. Getting down is much treacherous than getting up. Pretty cool hill, yeah? Yeah.
I've done good.
All right, after you.
After me?
Mm-hmm. I'll take the backpack back once we're down. Don't die, okay? Ugh. You feel like people slide down it?
Yeah.
Probably. But they probably don't sled down it like you said. Ugh. You want to hold this real quick? I'll take the backpack. Take the backpack back. You got it. All right. First thing, you need to suck it up because we gotta move fast. We're on our way back. We're almost back to the entrance. Our legs are tired. We're gonna grab some food in a minute here. It's been a pretty great hike, I would say. We'll take some more video on our way out. I have an area like this here, this geocache that we missed at the beginning. On our way out, I'm gonna try and see if I can spot it. It's not very far up the path. You could see it from the path, if not for the fact that it's got sort of camouflage color to it, so it is a little tricky to see. But if you know where it is, then you can spot it. This here might be it. I'm gonna take a quick pop in here real quick. See what I can see. Let me see. It's on a tree, kind of like that one. Crap. I don't like this. I don't like these thistles. Let's see, is that it? No. I think I'd see it from here if that was where it was. Nope. Are you on a geocache website?
No.
No. Let's go. And so our Lake Lizzie adventure is complete for the day. It's disappointing though, because after you're done with the trail and you're like, yay, we're all good. Now we can sit down in the car. Nope, there's still a road to get back to the parking lot. So just a little ways longer. And then we'll get some Wendy's. Oh, we made it. Whew, wowee, what a hike. That sure was a blast. So we're gonna go, oops. I'm still not used to driving with these boots, so I just revved the engine. Anyway, we're gonna get some food. Thank you for watching our little adventure. I hope you enjoyed. I know I did. Did you enjoy it, Kirsten?
Yes, except I'm dead.
Rest in peace. Chris of all trades signing off.